What if I told you you don't need a gym, a trainer, or a single piece of equipment, yet you can still build a body that turns heads? This isn't a gimmick. This is raw, powerful, real-world strength, built using just one thing, you. Well, congratulations. You found the perfect video where we'll learn calisthenics from a total beginner level. You'll learn how to build your body into something powerful like the Hulk and flexible like an athlete. If you think you can't build a good body without the gym, then today we're breaking that myth, because this is calisthenics. I'll teach you step by step how to start calisthenics from zero, how to build strength using just your body weight, and how you won't need the gym at all. If you're a beginner, don't worry. Just watch this video till the end, because this is the perfect starting point for your fitness journey. So if you're ready, let's begin. See, calisthenics is a form of training where your body is your gym. Things like push-ups, pull-ups, squats, dips. That's all calisthenics. No weights, no machines, just your own body weight. It's movement-based training that builds your functional strength, flexibility, and endurance. And all of this happens naturally without using artificial weights. The best part, this is the favorite training style of soldiers and athletes because it teaches your body real control. Imagine doing powerful moves like the human flag or front lever, all without any gym. That's real strength, and it's accessible to everyone, whether you're a beginner or advanced. Now, a lot of people think that without lifting weights, you can't build a body, that calisthenics can't build muscle, that it's only for lean physiques, blah, blah, blah. But let's be honest, that's just wrong. Look at street workout athletes. Their strength, muscle definition, and aesthetics are all top-notch. And it's not just beginners who doubt calisthenics. Even advanced gym lifters often underestimate it because they think progress without machines isn't possible. But the reality is that calisthenics is a complete fitness system. It helps you build strength, endurance, flexibility, and coordination all together. And if you think you can't build muscle mass with calisthenics, take this challenge. Train calisthenics for 3 months, then look in the mirror. You'll see the difference for yourself. Now let's talk about real benefits. First, functional strength. In the gym, you lift weights and use machines, but real-life strength means being able to control your body in real situations, like lifting something heavy or reacting fast in emergencies. Calisthenics teaches you full control over your own body, which is real-world strength. Second, fat loss and lean muscle. If you want to lose fat and build lean muscle at the same time, calisthenics is perfect. It's high intensity, burns a lot of calories, and boosts your metabolism, helping you get a shredded and muscular body. Third, mobility and flexibility. In the gym, focus is mostly on muscles, but calisthenics makes both your muscles and joints more flexible, which helps keep you injury-free. And finally, no equipment, no cost. You don't need a gym membership. You can do calisthenics at home, in a park, or in any open space. Your own body weight is your workout equipment. Sounds awesome, right? So how do you start? If you're a beginner, your first step is to master the basics. That's what will help you move toward advanced levels. Let's talk about mindset and motivation. All this physical stuff only works if your mindset is strong. Calisthenics requires patience and consistency. You have to make slow progress every week. Some days you'll feel like you're not improving. That's the moment when most people quit. But if you don't give up, if you keep showing up, you'll reach a whole new level, guaranteed. Remember, beginners never fail, they just quit. Don't be the one who gives up. Now you know what calisthenics is, how to start it, and how to progress. But remember, a strong body doesn't come from workouts alone. Diet matters too. Your body needs the right fuel. Protein to build muscle, carbs for energy, healthy fats for recovery. Make sure every meal includes these essentials. And finally, if you're serious about your fitness journey, I need your support. So drop a comment saying, bring part 2, and where we'll go beyond beginner and move into advanced calisthenics. You'll learn crazy moves like planche, advanced variations, muscle control techniques, and more. Share this video with your friends so we can hit the goal fast. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, and work on your body, stay strong, and stay fit.